wonder how some YouTubers seem to just know what their audience wants? They're creating videos that hit the mark every time, racking up views and engagement. Well, I'm about to let you in on a little secret weapon, free AI-powered YouTube content analysis. That's right, there's a tool out there that can give you incredible insights into what makes a video tick. And today, we're going to explore it together. We'll be checking out this awesome free tool, an AI YouTube content analyzer that helps you quickly understand what viewers think about any YouTube video, even shorts. Want to study your competition? Figure out what motivates their audience. Get ideas for your next viral hit? This tool can do it all. For example, I ran a review of the BMW X3 M50 through the tool, and it picked up on some things I hadn't noticed. Viewers liked the exterior design, but they weren't too happy with the interior materials and the lack of certain features. The AI even suggested comparing the BMW X3 to competitors like the Porsche Macan in future videos. Now that's valuable information you can use to keep your audience engaged. And it's not just for long-form videos. I tested it with a short about the Lumen metabolism tracker. The AI highlighted that viewers were intrigued by the science behind the product and the personalized approach. It suggested creating videos explaining metabolism in more detail or showcasing user success stories. Genius! The craziest part, this tool even works with videos that have no talking at all. I tried it with a web design project video that only had music. The AI still managed to extract insights, pointing out that viewers appreciated the design and the fact that the source code was available. It even recommended creating tutorials on advanced coding techniques. Want to give your channel a boost? Try out this analyzer and let me know how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tools to up your content game. See you next video.